Okay guys, here we go. This is Psyke Underground at Walibi Belgium. I'm not sure we're gonna see anything, but it's gonna be a fun coaster. You can hear us, and it's long.
Start the system! Start the system! Start the system!
Oh wow! Woohoo! Back at the station. Wow, that's a nice coaster. I did not expect that. It was a loop and then it ended up in a spike and then we fell backwards back into the station. And we get that thought because we made it. Oh, it's so much fun. Great coaster.